measurement of stock muffler off of 04 Subaru Forester. One and a quarter on the top. And right at the seam of the bumper. About 4 inches in to the bumper. Okay, I'm gonna use a 14mm and a 12. Remove these two. Okay. Maybe I should have stuck the. I think it would have been better if we stuck the ratcheting sign on the 12, not the spring side. I'll be back with a 12 ratcheting. Using the gear wrench, or yeah, gear wrench 12. The 12mm on the engine side, 14mm on the muffler side. Now right here at the mid pipe, you got another hanger. Okay, that one came off pretty easy. I do want to put something there, hold that up for a bit, get some bricks. Here's the hanger, the rear and the muffler on the 04 Forester in stock position. On the STI, this hanger will not be able to be used unless it's extended. Okay, on the mounts on the muffler itself, there looks like 17 and a 14, but it's not. It is only a 14 on the inside portion. So don't attempt to remove the 17. It's welded on. Okay, I got the exhaust installed. Apparently this hanger, this extra long hanger, part number 511182, is not long enough. It is like maybe a centimeter or not even anything. No clearance to the bumper. So we'll have melting issues. But lengthwise on the muffler is about the same. 06 STI exhaust.